Dear Jess, I found quite a backdrop for today's culinary classic from Catalunya, the serrated mountain, Monserrat. Today's special, Galtes de Porc amb Mongetes, pork cheeks with white beans. Another classic from the hand of Maestro Josep Lladonosa, a seal of authenticity if there ever was one. 45 kilometers northwest of Barcelona, Monserrat is one of the most important shrines in Catalunya, with its monastery set high up amongst these breathtakingly mystifying rock formations. Now, pork cheeks are surprisingly underused and underrated in many places, but not in Catalunya, where they're easy to find on menus and at the supermarket. If you haven't had them, once you've tried them, you'll regret not having eaten them earlier. They really are that good. Lean, yet after a good long braise, always melt in the mouth tender. Don't be surprised if this becomes your new favourite meat. These white beans have been soaking overnight, so ready to be cooked in water or chicken stock, as I'm using here. Here's some tremendous cured pork belly, and the vegetables used in the sofregit, the ever-present concentrated flavour base for Catalan stews: tomatoes, onion, green pepper and garlic. For the aromatic bouquet, discarded before serving, leek, carrot, parsley, thyme and bay. So we're instructed to fry the cheeks, and once nicely coloured, to remove them from the pan. It's early May, which I'm delighted to say qualifies as summer, and thus a tinto de verano, a summer red wine, a typical Spanish combination of red wine and lemonade, a simplified sangria, if you will. Salud. Now the diced pampeta is fried, making way for the onion and pepper. Patience required at this point. Give them a good 10 to 15 minutes over low heat until really reduced and darkened. Now the tomato pulp, and again allow this to concentrate nice and slowly until thick, another 15 minutes, as the more reduced the mixture is, the better. Do add a drop of water from time to time if you detect any burning on the bottom of the pan. The sofregit is now ready to receive the cheeks, the beans, half a head of garlic, the bundle of aromatics, and the stock or water to cover. This is covered and cooked gently for an hour and a half. So there you have it. Under the second most important pilgrimage site in Spain, today's culinary pilgrimage: slowly braised pork cheeks with white beans, beneath the serrated and sacred mountain of Monserrat. Please do drop me a like if you've enjoyed this episode, and subscribe to keep up with all my regular reports from the back roads of France, Spain and Portugal.